Good morning, children. Today's topic is make a word starting with the sound and draw the pictures. So let's start. In this page, you can see 5 vowels on one side, and you will make a word starting with the sound and draw the pictures. First one is A, and you will write A sound word. C-A-P, cap, and draw the picture of cap. Next one is E. You will write E sound word. E-G-G, egg, and draw the picture of egg. Next one is I. You will write I sound word. P-I-N, pin, and draw the picture of pin. Next one is O. You will write O sound word. P-O-T, pot, and draw the picture of pot. Next one is U, and you will write U sound word. S-U-N, sun, and draw the picture of sun. Like this, you have to practice at your home. Thank you.